Hello everybody, I am Crazy Lewis and welcome on here to a brand new video. Hope you guys have had a great day, and I certainly am, as I've been waiting so long to show you something pretty big that's happening to this channel. So, today, this video is my new gear. I have went out and I have bought a lot of new equipment to make these vlogs more mwah, and just make them freshen up a bit, let me do different kind of shots, let me focus a lot better, just let me get all that professionalism that I have been wanting in my YouTube videos for a long time. Along with my Instagram photos, I really want them to get more popular. Check out my Instagram down in the description below. So right now, this is the Canon PowerShot 720. So yes, it's been good, it's done me for about 2 years, but I feel like it is time to move on. So why not I take you on right away to the next camera I'll be using. Hey folks, can you see the difference? I can definitely see it, I can actually see myself now. This is incredible. This is my new recording camera. This is the Canon EOS 800. So I have been needing a DSLR for a very long time now, and I finally have went out and I have got one. Just so you guys know, every gear that I will be showcasing in this video will be down in the description, where you can go and see if you want one yourself. So this is the very first kind of vlog I am making with this, with the Canon EOS 800D. It's came with loads of new things, loads of new filters. I can do time lapses, I will be showing you that in a bit. I've got a lens, because I went for the kit, a battery, and I'm loving it guys, I'm loving it so far. I've been able to do some really nice things with it, and I just can't wait to go out and actually do some travel vlogging with this camera. But as you can see, my voice might not sound very good, you know, I'm using the built-in microphone right now, but there is something else I have got. Let me show you. I also went and got myself an external microphone. So what you'll be hearing right now is coming right from the Synco Mic M2. I thought having a wind muffler might help, because you know Scotland's a very windy place, definitely when we've got loads of storms going on right now, which is why I can't really go outside and film this video, because Storm Dennis is just blowing everything about, you know. But I'm so glad I went out and purchased a mic, can't wait to test it out in the open environment. Another thing that I went and got to just help with more of that perfect footage. As you can see, I'm starting to add B-rolls into my clips. So if you don't know what a B-roll is, it's basically when you like overlay a video of, like, let's just say you're on a beach and you've got the sand moving, the waves going up and down. Or when I was in Ireland, you know, we saw loads of like the Temple Cafe bar. We had the Halfpenny Bridge. All of that overlaying of me talking in this vlogging format. Well, to help with all of that, I've also went and got myself a gimbal, basically, which never cost me that much, only £35, and it is a mad contraption, by the way. Honestly, the first time I saw that, we have to put it together. Honestly, it confused my brain, but it looks amazing once it's together. Like, it makes me look so professional, and I really am not professional, but you know, I can't wait just to use that on more things, just, you know, be able to move it along and up and down. You can move it in loads of different ways. There's probably a lot of ways I have not even figured out yet, and I've had it about a week now, so you know, I just can't wait to go and use that outside of these vlogs. Another piece of equipment I forgot to mention when I done this first recording was I also got myself another lens for this camera. Hopefully we'll be able to get more lenses in the future. Or should I say lenses? That's the plural word, right? Well, I went and got another lens along with the one I got with the camera, which is a macro lens which will very help with, you know, precise zoomed in shots. So it is the 50mm f1.8 STM, whatever that stands for. Like I said, I'm just getting to the world of cameras. But I've used it, it looks very nice. It's nice and wide, helps you get everything in there. And I can't wait to actually go and test it out on like some flowers and some maybe like ants or something. You know, some things that are very, very small. No, I can't. It's too big for that lens. Another thing I've went and purchased, guys, is a pretty awesome purchase, I have to say so. I have went and got the GoPro Hero 8 Black, yes, the newest one. So I was just filming off a action camera and a very cheap one for my kind of GoPro action content, like going on the bike in Harris, for example. But I decided to go all out. I have went and got myself the latest version of the GoPro, and I've not got it yet, but I'm going to get loads of straps and stuff, because I'll need loads of straps. Strap it to my chest, strap it to my head, you know. I know I might whack my head a lot, but I'm sure it's durable enough. And I really can't wait to start using the GoPro more and more. Hopefully doing all these action stuff, maybe even go skiing myself, go surfing. I do not think I'll be able to do that. But whatever way I use it, I'm sure it's going to be very entertaining. I'm sure it's going to be very high quality. And I just can't wait to see how gorgeous the video is going to be now. Honestly, my heart, like, I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this, as if you can't tell. Whew. Alright, there's one more thing I want to show you. Okay, I want to show you my time lapse that I made. So of course this camera can do time lapsing. So let me take you on a tour. It was so I done this morning, right? It was dry. Luckily it was dry, but I couldn't go out much because, you know, weather is unpredictable during the storm. So it was basically during the calm of the storm, and I went out, I done a time lapse, tried it out for the first time, and this is what it looks like.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found the passion for music never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better.
So there you go. What did you think of that, guys? Please tell me in the comment section below. Also in the comment section below, guys, I want you to tell me what cameras you have. Do you have any camera? And yes, it might not be like the best camera, but it's definitely an improvement. Definitely a stage up. And hopefully my videos are going to start looking neater from now on. So guys, updating you on my life right now. I do have another holiday booked, which is actually before London. It's before I go to Canada, which I'm still waiting on confirmation on. But like I said, I'll bring out a video when I do know where I'm going in Canada. But I've got a new place. I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to keep it a secret, but I'm just going to let you in. It's in April, about middle of April, and we will be going to another island in Scotland. So not the Outer Hebrides like I've been to before, but me and two of my friends are going to be going on another ferry. We're going to go to another island. Hopefully the weather's going to be nice, and that'll probably be the first time I'm actually going to try this on an actual adventure. I am going to do a lot more adventurous things, like other Scottish hikes, Loch Lomond maybe, Glencoe, Ben Nevis maybe even. I like hiking, I like walking, and I just like filming. So when I finish uni, expect to see lots more content coming up. But anyways, this is going to be the end of today's video. I will be, hopefully, once the weather does get a bit nicer, just going out on my bike, trying out the GoPro in a more better manner, because as you see the video I put, it's just me just waving in it and stuff. But hopefully I'll actually go on my bike. I could actually go out to just a nearby forest and just practice outside with these and actually show you some of the things you can do with these cameras. And with my gimbal, which is incredible. Honestly guys, I am loving it all. And if you are too, please smash the like button, share with everyone you know. Also subscribe so you never miss any future content by me, because the future content is going to be very hype guys. I have to say that, lit, if I'm from 2015. And also check out my social media links in the description below to stay tuned on my life. Check out my Lost in Travel website so you never miss any travel blogs or various blogs. And I will see you guys on the next one. Crazy time out. Remember, everything that I've showed you in this video is in the description below. Anyways, bye.